Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at Brown G Tractors. They are located at Spinters Road, Flower Pot. So here at Brown G Tractors, they sell all kind of farm tractors and equipment. So these are some of the tractors that you are seeing right now, and this is their yard. So I'm coming to give you the price ranges of the tractors, so that if you are interested in getting any of them, you can then come and then take some. So from here, these are brand new tractors ranging from uh, 300 and 340,000 Ghana cedis to 370,000 Ghana cedis. They are brand new, tear rubber. So let me give you a closer look at them. So they are brand new tractors. These ones have never been used before. Unfortunately, we couldn't meet the owner of this place, but you can contact, and I have, that's the number on the screen. That's the owner's number on the screen. So you can just contact him so that you can negotiate with him. These are the brand new. Then they are Ferguson tractors. Massey Ferguson produces good tractors. So these are all brand new Ferguson tractors. So if you are into farming and then you need a tractor to boost your farming, then just contact them on the numbers on the screen so that they can assist you. The prices too are negotiable, ranging from 370,000 all the way to I think 160,000. So let me show you the other ones too. The used ones. The ones I showed you are the brand new ones. So this one too is for sale. Unfortunately, I don't know the price of this. So if you contact them, they can give you the prices. If you contact them, just mention my name, Breezy the car guy, and then they'll give you a discount. That's what the owner told me. So if you contact them, just tell them that. So this one I learned is from 220,000 all the way to 200,000. These are the used ones. So if you can't afford the brand new ones, I think the used ones are going to be okay for you. If by any chance you want to buy from them, just tell them that Breezy the car guy, you saw the video on Breezy the car guy's page, or Breezy the car guy directed you here, and they are going to give you a discount. So these are some of the used ones, and let me show you. These are some of the used ones. These ones too ranges from 170,000 to 200,000 Ghana cedis. These are the used ones. Farming equipment, they cost more than regular cars, because these ones we use them for as business. So they are money making machines, so they cost. So these ones are like 200,000. I'm not specific with the price, but if you are watching this video and then you want something like this, just contact them on the numbers you are seeing on the screen and they will sort you out. Just mention my name, Breezy the car guy, and then they will give you a discount. That's what the owner said. So if you call them, you tell them you saw this video on maybe YouTube or TikTok, and then you are here because of Breezy the car guy, they will give you a discount. So these are nice tractors. If you are planning on getting some, just call them. So okay, so they have this machine. I think this one too is for farming. I don't know the use of this machine, but maybe this might be a harvester or something. So then this one is a brand new tractor. Let me give you a closer look. This one is a brand new tractor with so guys, if you are interested, you just give them a call and then they will sort you out. They have forklifts here. I don't know the price of this forklift. If you are interested in this forklift, just give them a call. And then they have some tractor equipment too here. I think this one are the ones we use for plowing land, and then these ones too are here for plowing land. So if you want any of these equipment, you just contact them and they will sort you out. So this is the yard. They are located at East Legon, Spintex Road, Flower Pots. That's where they are located. So these are the brand new ones. Once again, these are the brand new ones. Their name is Brown G Tractors and Equipment. Brown G Tractors and Equipment. They sell all kind of brand new and then home used tractors. So these are the brand new ones. As you can see, they have a lot of tractors here. Some of the tractors come with infotainment system. This tractor like this have an infotainment system. Wow, that's a radio here and a speaker here. So as you are working, you can be listening to your favorite music. That's called work and happiness. So once you are working, you can be listening to your music, your radio, whatever. So these are some of the tractors. All the tractors have tape sound system. So these are the sound system. Everything is very beautiful here. These are the brand new tractors. If you are interested, you call them so that they sort you out. So guys, I think this is where I'll end the video. If this happen to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe so that I can be bringing you more of this amazing content. So these are the tractors. Just contact them, then I believe you are going to get a good deal from them. Alright. Okay guys, so I think I'll end the video here. But if you have any further questions, you can just contact them on their numbers showing on the screen so that they can sort you out. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.